Well, hello. Don't mind me. Just poking my car's butt. These are the exhaust ports. Try to clean them up as much as possible. This one's pretty good. Just so we get those exhaust flows very nice and good. All I'm doing is using a little bit of brake cleaner, shooting it in here. Usually have the rag right behind it. Then I just scrub it. Just back and forth. All around the cylinder walls or the exhaust port. So there it comes out pretty good. Better than what it was. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do the rest of these. Alright, there I have the camera mounted. Essentially what I'm doing is grabbing the rag, having it ready. So when it runs, I'm able to scrub it back and forth. Alright. See all that come out. I'm almost done with this whole thing. Might have to go pick up some more. I'm out. That's it. It's a wrap for that. See how this looks. Turn on the light. Looks okay. Looks better than what it was. All black, like how you see that. All of it. All the way out. Better than nothing. Well, for now, let's go ahead and polish the intake ports, not the intake manifold. Here, pretty much the same process. Have them all nice and clean from when I did the little work right there. You can tell, not really, because the camera's not focusing. You can see where it's shiny a little bit. We're gonna use this and see how good this works. This white one is for aluminum. There it is. Almost to focus. But anyways, let's go ahead and do that real quick. I was gonna use these, but these I tried the last night and it was actually scraping it more than polishing it out like the wire wheel was. So I'm gonna just leave it like that. Oh, I have my box cutter right here already. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stuff up these holes, just the valves. That way I don't get any shit in there. Spend the last hour cleaning all my shit up. Yeah, because I didn't stuff them. So I'm gonna go ahead and stuff them up just like this. Alright, there it is. Everything nice and blocked, except for this one. I don't know what the hell happened to that one. Let's try to realign this one. Just grab your needle nose, pinch it out. There it is. A lot better now. That way we don't get shit in there. Alright, now let's go ahead and try to polish this up as best I could. If this doesn't fit, then maybe we could try chopping it up. See if it'll work. If that don't work, I have these tiny little ones that I used last time. So we'll see what's up. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to chop this up. No problem. It's all good. Alright, here I have my scissors. I'm gonna just pretty much chop where this first sewing is at. That way we have a nice good layer. Excuse me, I'm burping. Excuse me. So that way we have a nice good layer to polish it out. Alright, so I try to make it as round as possible. Not the best thing, but hopefully this should work. Let's give it a try. Alright, so I have that bar there, and I'm just run it through with the drill. Pretty much, I already did it I usually use Mother's aluminum mag and polish, but I don't have that on me right now. So we're going to try to make it work with this. If not, I'll pick them up tomorrow. Let's see what's up. I see it turning a little bit black. So that's a good sign. Looks like it might be polishing out. Ho ho, is it polishing out? Ho ho ho. Let me go ahead and do all of these and I'll show you real quick. Alright, so you can kind of see the difference. This is super shiny. I'm not doing all the way in. I'm just doing just barely at the runners. Look how shiny this one is. Look at that. See the reflection. These I haven't hit yet. But regardless, they're still pretty shiny. But not as shiny as this one. Look at that. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Yeah. So, we're going to do all of them just like that. And that's all the little fucking debris I am talking about. Thank God we put those rags to catch all that. Alright, there it is. And suck everything up at the vacuum. Blowgun. Sweet. Suckers are pretty shiny. See them there? Oh, that looks pretty good. The top, try to do the walls. The walls really you can't tell. Kinda, a little bit. See the reflection of the towel? Yeah. Sweet. Let's go ahead and pull those rags out. I have my needle nose right here. Sweet. Make sure we take all of these out. Oh. There it is. Nice and clean. Sweet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to blow it one more time with the blowgun. Just to ensure everything is out. I'm going to rotate this one because this one is open. Let's see if we can see it. Not really. Let me turn this light on. And that one's not going to let me turn on. Okay. Oh, never really works when I want it to. Anyways, you're gonna take my word for it. Okay, there we are. We're closed now. So I'm gonna blow in here. Sweet. Next, I'm gonna prep this out. I already took all the glue off of it, but I'm gonna go over it with a razor. This one here as well. So let me go ahead and take these towels out of here. Go ahead and blow the debris out real quick. Now let me get a razor blade and go ahead and clean that up. Well, I pretty much cleaned everything off. Now I'm just going with it with a razor blade just to make sure everything is off of it. See? It's a little bit right here. Come on, you. There it is. Just clean this out. See all the little gunk that's taking out. See all of it right there. The reason we're doing this is so we can get a nice good seal. And that's essentially I'm going to do all the way around. And this right here as well. And since I'm at it, I'll do the VTEC solenoid as well. Just make sure all this is nice and clean. Ready for the new seals. The VTEC solenoid as well. Back here. There it is. This one's a little bit tougher because I have the motor tilted that way, so I'll just get it when I go to the other side. But now I'm gonna just finish cleaning this off. Alright, and there it pretty much is. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with that's right, I used it all already, the brake cleaner. Well, I guess I could use a little bit of WD-40. Nah, that doesn't evaporate. That'll do it for now. I'll just clean the surface off with the brake cleaner when I purchase some more brake cleaner. But that'll do it for now. These are nice and super smooth. Heck yeah, look at that. Woo! The airflow's gonna flow, I'll tell you what. Yeah. I'm actually even thinking of polishing these up a little bit more. Cleaning them up and polish them. Yeah. We'll see what's up. But that'll do it for now. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.